Hey guys, Street Stance Silver Garage. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free. You can unsubscribe at any time, but please subscribe whether you like our enduro races or our hot challenges or my how-to videos.
That is on.
Or me just building this 1,000 horsepower Civic right here that I'm standing in the engine bay of. Remember, at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be getting pepper sprayed and tased at the same time. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. And let's get on with today's video. What is up, everybody? We're here finally back with the Minion. We are going to do some doors today. Actually, we already got one put together. Everything's on it. We even kept the factory door seal. That way it's, you know, still kind of a street car, you know, per se, but we got everything back on. Door handles, everything works. Window goes up and down. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this door together, and we're going to put the trunk together and get some other parts and pieces up. I took my bumpers and stuff outside, guys. So we're going to try to get the doors on today. We're going to try to get the fenders on and get the bumpers and the trunk lid on. So we're going to do a time lapse on getting this door done, and then we will get the trunk lid done and we'll get them put on the car, guys. Alright guys, we got our doors together, so now we're going to go ahead and put them on. We already got one on and a fender on. We'll show you what it looks like as soon as we're done putting this door on. So I'm doing it by myself, so hopefully I can do it without scratching the car up. So I'm going to put some tape on this. Why I put the tape on it, guys. Okay, and I got some nice stainless screws. So it's kind of difficult doing this by yourself. Okay, we're gonna get the fender on now. We gotta do a little bending here from where I molded this, or cut this fender and fabbed this. Doesn't exactly line up great. It needs to be pushed out. It's pushed in a little bit, and I'd say that's from welding, getting hot and warping it a little bit. Which ain't no big deal, we just need to push out on it after we get it bolted on. So I'm gonna go grab the bolts for it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're gonna get this fender on. Left my Allen wrench over here. So we got some JDM speed bolts we're gonna be using. Okay, fenders are secure, doors are good. Let's try the bumper here. Now this bumper's been sitting for a while. Put this thing. Yeah, lovely. Doesn't fit very good. Really don't like the way that fits. This one fits all nice and tight. Well, no, it don't either. Huh. All right. I know this ain't gonna work. Find some bolts for that. Okay, I'll show you guys real quick, see if I can get you in there to look at it. These are aftermarket headlights. So what has happened here is, let's see here if I can. You guys can see right there the headlight's actually hitting. It's not allowing it to go over that way anymore. So what we need to do is probably bend that piece a little bit and let it slide over a little bit, because it doesn't need to come over much, but it does need to come over. Same with the fender, needs to come out, and that'll all come out. The end of the fender will come out with the light, so we need to move it over, and we'll have to probably drill these holes and adjust them. So, but it's not all the way lined up. The headlight's actually in, so, and that's causing this. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, the light spacing is too tight together, which is pushing the center of the bumper. It's kind of wrinkling it. So I got to move the lights out a little bit, and the bumper will pop back up in the center. So same here. See how the bumper's out and the fender's not? That's where the bumper wants to sit. So that means this fender and light need to come out a 1/4 inch. So we'll drill these and readjust the lights and fix them. But as of now, it's been a long time coming, guys. It has a bumper, it has a grill, it has doors. Now, if we can get the trunk lid on and get the back bumper on, this thing will almost be complete. But that's the end of today's video, guys. I just wanted to get all this finished up, So I'm hoping you guys like it so far. Let's get that. All right, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Helps my channel grow. And we got more to do on this project, and we got more to do on that one. So we got a lot to do, guys. So please stay tuned, and we'll be posting videos up here very shortly. So thanks, guys, to all the subscribers that are helping my channel grow. And we will hopefully get this finished shortly. We got everything for the bottom end. We're waiting to get stuff for the head, and then send it off to machine shop. And this thing will be ready to get a motor put in it. So it's not far away from getting that done. But next, we're going to put another video up. We're going to get the wing windows in. So guys, please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.